What is going on, guys? Good morning. In this video I'm going to show you a quick POV drive of a 2022 BMW M550i. So this car really is a budget M5. It took me probably good 24 hours to realize that, but what really did it for me is the launch control in this car yesterday when I was filming a quick launch video, and then my phone went just flying, and I got that feeling in my chest like I have not had since I was a kid on a roller coaster. It sure that made me feel amazingly scared. This car does rip. It really does. It is so fast and it sounds good. Sounds amazing. And it looks good. That's the purpose. That's the purpose of this car, guys. It's got the looks, it's got the comfort of a 5 Series you would expect, and it can haul. It can haul, and it can stop. Let me tell you guys, this is a great braking system on this car. These calipers are extremely huge in this car, and for it being this size, it stops as well as my M450i. Let me show you a couple more of these ambient light settings. Brighten up the screen a little bit. Bronze and white. Orange. It is kind of dim, not gonna lie. The ambient light this is as bright as it gets, which is a little bit dim, but it is very dark out. Let me show you the blue. I think blue is the brightest one. There you go. Alright, well, that's enough of ambient light. Let's give it a couple more pulls, because that's what this car is for. A straight line beast, which can turn. I think it can turn really well as well for a car this size. Right now we're on Sport Plus. This is a 90-degree turn. Let's see what it can do. Oof. Not bad. That was really good. I think that was really good. Whoa. Yes, this thing is nice, guys. Again, I am picky, as I have a real M car, and I've driven pretty much I've driven a stage 2 tuned M550. I've driven a tuned E63S, multiple of those actually, and this car is a real nice in comparison to all those I just mentioned. Woof. Nice. For stock, this is damn good. Alright guys, I think this is a good time to cut it right here. Hope you like this video. Give a thumbs up, and if you have not so already, please do subscribe to the channel. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Peace.